Today we're going to cover how to get a free season pass to Dollywood if your child was born in 2019 or 2020. Now this will get your child into Dollywood or Dollywood Splash Country free for the entire year. Stay tuned for more here on Explore Tennessee. I'm going to tell you how to get a free season pass for your 4 or 5-year-old for the entire season at Dollywood or Dollywood Splash Country directly from Dollywood simply by registering for the free Dollywood Pre-K Imagination Season Pass on the Dollywood website. So this is a perfect fit for any child born in 2019 or 2020, and they get a year full of free fun at Dollywood or Dollywood Splash Country. I'm going to go over the complete details here, but you can also find them on our website at exploretennessee.org. We're just getting started with our YouTube channel, so we'd appreciate it if you like this video. Please like the video and subscribe to our Explore Tennessee channel. Okay, so this is how to get started. The 2024 Pre-K Imagination Season Pass, it's perfect for any child born in 2019 or 2020. They get a full season, a full year of free fun at Dollywood or Dollywood Splash Country. Now, the one-day pass for children 4 to 9 years old is normally $82 a day for 2024 season. Children under 4 years old are always going to be free. So if they were to get a season pass would cost $154 in 2024. So we're going to tell you how to get this season pass for free for your 4 to 5-year-old for this season at Dollywood. So here are the steps you need to take to get your free pre-K season pass at Dollywood. You have to register online at the Dollywood website. Now I have a link to that website in the comment section below, so be sure to take a look at that. Once you register online, you have to bring your child to the Dollywood front gate with a photocopy of their birth certificate or passport to confirm their age in order to process their pass. Once you do that, it's time to play. Your child can visit Dollywood then anytime through the end of the 2024 season. Okay, let's answer a few questions. First of all, are parents or guardians required to buy a season pass? No. However, a parent or guardian must accompany any child into the park at all times. So they recommend that each parent or guardian purchase a season pass so you can visit as often as you want with your child, but you can still buy a day pass and bring the child as well. Next question, can I get the free season pass over the phone with the Dollywood representative? The answer is no. Purchases must be completed online prior to visiting Dollywood at dollywood.com. How long is a free Pre-K Imagination Season Pass valid for? The free Pre-K Season Pass is good from the time of activation through the 2024 season at Dollywood and Dollywood Splash Country. Parents or guardians will need admission to the park in which they wish to accompany their child. We recommend a 2-part Gold Season Pass for the most flexibility and best value. Next question is, where do I process the free Imagination Pre-K Season Pass? The free Pre-K Imagination Season Pass can be processed at any ticket window at the Dollywood front gate. Be sure to bring that photocopy of your child's birth certificate or passport to confirm their age in order to process their pass. So how long do you have to register for the free Pre-K Imagination Season Pass? Registration is currently open to current Pre-K pass holders born in 2018 and new Pre-K pass holders born in 2019 or 2020. So you can process this anytime all year long. And the last question is a free Pre-K Imagination Season Pass like a Gold Pass? No, the Pre-K Pre-Imagination Season Pass does not include Bring a Friend tickets, free parking, in-park discounts on food and merchandise, or any additional discounts on premium experiences. For all the information on how to get your free pass, go to exploretennessee.org.